I'm Kelsey.
And I'm Kaylee.
And this is iKaykay. Today we'd like to invite two very special guests. We have my friend Julia. And our friend Emily.
Yo.
And today we have a very special show for you.
That's
so get ready and buckle in for the ride.
Yeah. Or you'll be charged $110.
And that was really dumb, guys.
Still recording.
What is that mysterious ticking sound? Not from over here. Not from over there. It's kinda catchy. Snape, Severus Snape, Severus Snape,
Dumbledore!
Snape, Severus Snape,
Dumbledore!
Snape, Severus Snape,
Dumbledore!
Snape, Severus Snape,
Dumbledore!
Snape,
Dumbledore!
Severus Snape, Severus Snape, Severus Snape,
Dumbledore!
Snape, Snape, Severus Snape,
Dumbledore!
Snape, Severus Snape,
Dumbledore!
Snape, Severus Snape, 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 Snape,
Dumbledore! Hermione!
Snape, Snape, Severus Snape,
Dumbledore!
Snape, Severus Snape,
Dumbledore!
Snape, Severus Snape,
Sing
Snape,
our song all day long at Hogwarts! I found the sword of the team! It's a piper! Yeah!
That was lame.